Good morning, guys. As you can see, we are on another road trip. We're going to the candy store, and it's called Fertizona. It's our agricultural store that I get some sweet treats for the soil here, and we can get that awesome looking grass, you know, that nice AZ lawn. All right. I'm gonna go talk to them to see if they'll let me shoot in there. If not, we'll just go shoot whatever we can. All right. Ooh, they're not even open yet. But we're gonna wait till they open. We got the green light. We're gonna turn. We're gonna wait till they open up at 8 o'clock. Ooh. What's great about this place is you actually sit in the truck, you get the fertilizer for you, and load it up. Today I'm actually going to be just taking my mower down. We're going to fertilize today. Probably put some humic acid down, and this is what the lawn is looking like. And we're going to take it down to about an inch. So I'm going to grab my real mower here. I adjusted it already. Let's see if I can see that. Adjusted it already, and for some reason I cannot find my sunglasses, so bear with me while I'm squinting at the camera. So all right, let's see how this goes. When I first moved onto this property, the soil was extremely hard. I remember seeing them use jackhammers to put in the irrigation system. I read in various books and turf literature that gypsum can be used to soften clay soils. It's not something you see put down and bam, you have instant soft soil. In some literature, they say that it can take up to 2 years for gypsum to break down. Gypsum is perfect for our desert soil because it helps the salinity or the high salt content. It contains calcium and sulfur. This makes the soil more permeable for plant roots and water. One of the added benefits of living in a warm region with very mild winters is that you have an extended time to making your soil right. So based on your current soil test, you can add amendments or nutrients that you typically find in fertilizers. The next thing I like to apply is a fulvic acid. It's basically an uptake initializer and an enhancer, which works to move nutrients and other products into the plant better. Hey guys, real quick, if you want to cut your time measuring new products out, like a herbicide, humic acid, or anything like that, grab yourself one of these laundry measuring cups out, or a Dixie cup. Make sure it's see-through. Grab your Sharpie pen, write your product down there. I put like entire yard, that way I know it's going to cover the entire yard. Or if you want to do the front yard, that's fine, or the backyard, that's fine. You'll mark your cup there with a Sharpie pen, and then the next time you use that product, you don't have to break out the scale, so that way you're in and out of the lawn real quick. The next tip I like to share with you is to mow more frequent. Doing this minimizes turf damage, especially when you're trying to maintain a particular height of cut. Alright, we just got done mowing. Double doubles. Not bad, not bad. Alright guys, here's the other look. Pardon for the jets. That's what I have to work with. Other than that, everything looks really good. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.